Right, so this week we're going to make some stencils for a community group here in Brighton. So I recently saw a post on Facebook by the Brighton Community Workshop project, and they were asking for stencils so that they could do some branding of all their things. And they're a community group that is a tool library, so they help the community by loaning out tools and having somewhere to do a bit of crafting space as well. If you want to find out more about them, then there's a link down below in the description. But I figured I could help these guys out with the laser cutter and do a couple of quick stencils so they can spray paint all of their stuff. So we've done laser cutting on the channel before, so we're going to have a quick look at Inkscape. We're only going to very briefly cover it, and then we're going to go straight to the laser cutter and cut some stuff out. So this is what I wanted printing out, and there's two fonts. There's one in Stencil, and then there's another font here which is Magneto. And these are the two smaller ones. There's also a full sheet size stencil so they can spray paint bigger things, but we'll just focus on this one. And what I've done is I've put my little logo at the bottom so they remember who I am. When it comes to making stencils, you obviously don't want lots of material around it, which is why there's a red box, and that way the laser cutter knows to cut it out. And all the text is in red so that they're cutouts, and then my logo channel name thing at the bottom is in black, so it's just a laser engrave, and this won't be affected on any of the stencil stuff. Anyway, we're not going to do too much on design. That's in my other videos, which will be up here somewhere. And we're going to head over to the laser cutter now and just cut these out. So that's all set up. They're all ready to go. And now all we need to do is go in here, go to advanced settings, and then do group everything together. Bump the speed up to 250, and then that should be us. So we just need to shut the lid. And then hit go. And that'll think about it for a little while. Don't forget to check out Brighton Community Workshop projects, and if you like this video and want to see more random things, then please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.